Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay with McDonald gift card on app. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, search for the McDonald, click on that, open that application. So once you open that application, wait for a few seconds. Now it is loading. Click on these three bars on the top left, and here you can see there is a reward option. Let me go back, and there is the option of promo code, but there is no option to pay with gift card. So currently you are unable to pay with gift card, but in future might be you have this feature. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.